Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, I know that you are fine and well in our home. So, today we will know one chapter named called Tiny Animals. It is in chapter 8 in our EVMS book. So, we have to start this chapter. What do you mean by tiny? All of you know, children, what is the meaning of tiny? Tiny means small. Where are insects found, children? Do you know? Yes, they are found in air, water, and soil. Let me give you a few examples of insects: housefly, spider, mosquitoes, honeybee, butterfly, etc. How many legs does an insect have, children? Insects have 6 legs and their body is divided into 3 parts, that is head, thorax, and abdomen. Some insects have 2 wings, for example, flies, and some insects have 4 wings, for example, bees, beetles, and dragonflies. Okay, there are also some insects that shed their wings as they grow up. Example, termites and ants. There are some insects which can only fly and do not crawl. Example, butterfly and mosquitoes. Whereas there are some insects which can crawl and fly both. Example, cockroach, beetle and houseflies. Insects have special features in their mouth to help them obtain their food. Some insects hide to protect themselves from enemies. Do you know the word entomology? The study of insects is called entomology. Children, do you know that some insects can be harmful, like they bite or sting? They also cause pain and some of them can carriers of diseases. Termites are also seen in many houses and they damage our furniture, doors, wooden items, etc. Some insects like locusts eat fully grown crops and damage them. Now children, let me explain you about some useful insects. For example, insects like honeybee suck nectar from flowers. Butterflies help in the transfer of pollen from one flower to another. We get silk from the cocoon of silkworms. Spiders have 8 legs. Their bodies have only two parts. Worms, like centipedes, and have long tube-like bodies and many legs. So, children, now let me conclude this chapter. And children, do you like to catch butterflies? Yes, some children likes to catch butterflies for fun. But children, we should not kill the butterflies in this chapter. We know that how insects are very useful and some are very harmful. So, I hope this chapter you also like that one. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.